Task 1, enter the product formula in H2 for F2 to G2 and drag it all the way down. Okay, so right here it's going to be the product formula, so we're going to put it in, so equal product, parentheses, here and here, highlight those two, close parentheses, enter. Then you're going to click into the cell, go over to the corner, you'll get this plus sign, and you're going to drag it all the way down. Done. Okay, sort the data with city, and then by category, and then by product. Okay, so we're going to highlight this whole thing. So when you highlight this whole thing, you can drag it straight across like this, and then you can hold Shift, Control, then the down arrow on your right side, and it'll grab all of the data at once. And then you're going to do data, and then this would be a custom sort. And you're always going to use your data as your headers. Let me move this down a little bit, because then I'm going to do it by city, then add, then category, add, product. Okay, done. Freeze the top row. Okay, so you're going to go click on the top row here, and you're going to go to view, freeze, top row. Apply filters to the top row, then filter by the city of New York. Okay. Copy and paste the filtered data to J8, which would be here. Create the old headings as well. All right, so I'm going to highlight these columns, and I want to create a filter. So data, filter, put the filter on, there it is. Filter out only by the city of New York. So let's go to city and do the uncheck all of them, and then press New York and hit apply. Oop. I have to move my recorder, then press apply. There it is. So highlight all the data just for New York, Control C. Okay, then so we can get our directions back, we're going to restore the filter because we already copied it. So go to filter here, hit select all again, hit apply, and then my lovely directions will come back. And it said to put it into J8, so I actually want you to put it right here at will be J9, because it says also then to create the old headings as well. So we'll just grab these old headings, highlight them, Control C, click on that cell and do Control V, and then you got your old highlights again, or your old headings as well. Restore the data, which we did. Then sort by region. Okay, and select all the east regions, color them yellow. Then change the border to a 3 and dark yellow. All right, fine. So once again, you're going to highlight again, Shift, Control, down arrow. So I got everything. And then I'm going to select the east regions. So, and then make sure I do yellow, and then border dark yellow, and a 3. Okay. Unselect east. Here we go. And then I would like a border, or we want to color this yellow. There it is. And change the border to a dark yellow. Oh, let's see. Border color. Yeah, let's do the real dark yellow. And go back up to here and do that. And it'll go dark yellow. And I wanted it to be a 3. Thinking, oh, move that again. I'm gonna use that one as my 3. And there we go. It's a few step process for that. Now then it says to duplicate sheet number 3, rename it finished. So we go like this, right click, duplicate, and we are going to call this finished. Okay, and then we're going to color the tab green. Right click, tab color, green. Done.